Hello, and welcome to another episode of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise and spotlight high potential small cap companies in the stock market. I'm Ujjwal Sil, equity research analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we're featuring three companies with significant developments in their respective industries. Please note that this is not a buy or a sell recommendation of any sorts. So, the three companies that we have covered for today are Protean eGov Technologies Ltd, Pearl Global Industries Ltd, and Pricol Ltd. Going ahead with our first company, that is Protean eGov Technologies Ltd. This company is a provider of e-governance solutions. It recently secured a work order of 161 crores for developing the next generation Central KYC Records Registry. This contract has to be executed within 69 months. Financially, Protean reported a revenue of 220 crores in quarter 2 financial year 25, which saw a growth of 11.7% quarter on quarter, and the company reported an EBITDA margin of 14%, which saw an increase of 600 basis points from the last quarter. The management is quite optimistic about growth in tax and pension services, with plans to expand internationally, particularly in Africa and Southeast Asia. Going ahead to the next company that we have covered, it is Pearl Global Industries Ltd. Pearl Global Industries is a garment exporter, and the company has recently raised its stake in two of its subsidiaries, one in Indonesia and one in British Virgin Islands. These acquisitions are valued at $2.5 million and $12,500 respectively, and these acquisitions are aimed to increase their international footprint and overall support to boost the revenue by 12 to 14% CAGR over the next 3 to 4 years. In quarter 2, financial year 25, Pearl Global posted a revenue of approximately 1200 crores, which saw a quarter on quarter growth of 14% approximately and achieved an 8% EBITDA margin. The company has allocated a capex of 125 crores for financial year 25, and they are targeting operational expansion in India and Bangladesh. Finally, the last company that we have covered is Pricol Ltd. Pricol is a key player in the automotive component segment. The company has recently acquired Sundaram Auto Components injection molding division for approximately 215 crores. This acquisition will add around 730 crores to the top line of the company. The acquisition expands the company's manufacturing expertise and creates a new business vertical for innovation. Further, in the most recent con call, the management said that they're evaluating 4 to 5 more acquisition opportunities with potential debt financing of up to 300 crores. In the most recent quarter, which was the quarter 2 financial year 25, Pricol reported a revenue of 669 crores, which saw a quarter on quarter increase of 7.9%, and the company maintained an EBITDA margins 12 to 13%. The management has announced 200 crore capex for financial year 25, focusing on expanding production capacity and launching innovative products like e-cockpits and battery management systems. Despite the muted domestic demand forecast, Pricol is preparing for strong export-driven growth. Now we'll head on to the performance of our previous picks that we have covered in our past Noisemaker editions. First up is Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited. We covered this stock when it was trading at 961 rupees, and the stock is currently at 1061 rupees. That is an increase of 10.4%. The next stock that we covered was Saregama India Limited. We covered it at rupees 471, and now the stock is trading at 524 rupees, which that is an increase of 11.2%. The third stock that we covered was RateGain Travel Technologies Limited. We covered this stock when it was trading at 705 rupees, and now the stock is down by 1.9% and is currently trading at 691 rupees. The next stock is Indostar Capital Finance Limited. We had covered this stock when it was trading at 248 rupees, and now it is up by 7.8% from the date of our coverage and is now trading at 268 rupees. The next stock is Seal Matting India Limited. We covered it at 605 rupees. It is down by 3.3% from our date of coverage and is currently trading at 585 rupees. Now, lastly, to summarize everything that we have covered in today's edition of Noisemaker, I'll just highlight the few important points. Firstly, we covered Protean eGov Technologies Ltd, which secured a 161 crore work order. Secondly, we covered Pearl Global Industries Ltd, which raised its stake in two of its subsidiaries located in Indonesia and British Virgin Islands. This was aimed to support their revenue targets of growing at a CAGR of 12 to 4% for the next 3 years and improve EBITDA margins from single digit to lower double digits by financial year 25. And lastly, we covered Pricol Ltd, which acquired Sundaram Auto Components injection molding division for 215 crores approximately, adding around 730 crores to its top line. And further, the company is eyeing 4 to 5 more acquisition opportunities by with the help of debt financing of up to 300 crores. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. If you missed any details, download the attached Noisemaker PDF in the description below. Thank you for tuning in and stay ahead of the market with Desvelado Advisory.